Brad Williams, Excel Prime, padding numbers with zeros. I don't know about this thing. I think this is an ancient legacy problem here, and I don't know. I haven't researched this. I'm not sure if I'll ever use padding. Here, the instructions say zeros must be used. Here's the formula. Text B16, repeat 0, C16. Well, okay, using 0 works. It seems to allow the zeros to do what they're supposed to do. Here we have 88. We pad it with 6 total numbers. The net will be zeros. Go here, 722. We precede the 722 with 9 minus 3, and we're going to have 6 zeros, 722, total of 9. Here's what I did. I decided, why don't we put a single quote in here? Look what we get. It defaults to 12 single quotes. Over here, zeros must be used to pad a number. As we go down, and we can use this text, 12, 0, it works. We can use this repeat, it works. Here, we can use the 0, it works. But if we go in and we try to do something like this, like I did up here, there should be at least 4 single quotes, 7, 7. Doesn't work. Put asterisks in here, put an asterisk in there, it just blows up. If I put an asterisk in here, right between the quotes, there, nothing. What if I put a asterisk in a single quote, enter, put a single quote in here? Who knows what's going on there? So remove the asterisk, we get the single quotes. Put a 0 in here with the single quote, see what happens? It works. Isn't that odd? Put a single asterisk in here. Well, that asterisk really blows things to you know what. So that doesn't work. This time, if you put that 0 in there, it works. If we go 0 in front of the hyphen, see, we're going to get this really screwed up output. What I'm telling you is caution. This thing just doesn't make any sense. We said text 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeeks. This just doesn't work. Maybe in the old days, maybe legacy. Maybe this is a legacy deal and you need to put, maybe you have to do this. Nope. I need to get to the active cell. Active. Maybe you have to do this. Who knows? Enter. Sure. And never allow Excel to fix anything for you. All it did was remove that. Let's see the @ sign. Let's see here. So in the end, if you plan to use this, use it with caution. It seems like a very dangerous road to travel unless you're just using zeros, okay? This other formatted stuff just doesn't work. Brad Williams, Excel primed.